Good morning, children. Welcome to my class. In this video, we will discuss about geometry. So, first of all, what is geometry? Geometry is the branch of mathematics which deals with properties and relations with the lines, angles, surfaces, and solids. Just as maths deals with numbers, geometry deals with figures, points, and lines. So, in this video, I will tell you about basic concepts in geometry. And these concepts are point, line, line segment, ray, and plane. So, we will discuss about these one by one. First of all, point. A point is a dot in geometry. It shows an exact location. It has no length, breadth, or height. It is named using capital letter. For example, point A, point Z. Next is line, that is also known as straight line. A line is a collection of points which extends endlessly in both directions. It has no endpoints. Also, it has no fixed length. We name a line by marking 2 points on it. The arrowheads show that a line extends indefinitely on both sides. In this example, the 2 points are A and B. This line can be written as line AB, or we can also write as line BA. Next is line segment. A line segment is a part of a straight line. It has 2 fixed points, that is, it has a starting point and an ending point. That's why it also has a fixed length. It is named by writing the starting and ending points. So, we can name it as line segment AB or line segment BA. Next is ray. A ray is a portion of a line. It starts at one point, that is called starting point, and goes endlessly in a direction. It means its one point is fixed and another point is not fixed. It goes endlessly in a direction. A ray is represented by a straight line with a point on one side and an arrowhead on the other side. The given figure will be named as ray AP, not PA. In this figure, the ray is named as ray HI. We can't write it as ray IH. That will be wrong. Next is plane. A plane is a flat surface which extends endlessly in all directions. A plane can be named using a capital letter or 3 points on the plane. In this figure, the 3 capital letters are B, A and C. So this is plane ABC. A plane contains all points, lines and rays. Properties of lines and points. Infinite lines can pass through a given point. More than 2 lines that contain the same point are known as concurrent lines. It means if through a single point more than 2 lines are passing, they all are known as concurrent lines. Look at the example. Here, more than two lines are passing through a single point O. So, these all lines are concurrent lines. Second property is when three or more points lie on a straight line, the points are said to be collinear. These are collinear points. For example, in this figure, points C, A and B, these all are collinear points. But point D is not on a straight line. So, point D will be not a collinear point. Only points C, A and B are collinear points. Next property. When points do not lie on a line, they are called non-collinear points. In this figure, points C, D, A and B are non-collinear points. C, A, B are collinear, but C, D, A, B are non-collinear. Okay. So, practice it well, and in the next class, we will discuss about types of lines. Thank you.